jump straight into the vlog. This morning is such a beautiful sunny day that we thought we would go for a bit of an adventure and a bushwalk to one of our, well, we'll go to our local national park and have like a picnic and a walk around, and if the waterfall is a flowing, we'll probably go for a swim. So I'll just bring you guys along and show you the beautiful place that we go to. It's called the Border Ranges National Park, and there's like a few different sections and a few different walks, but there's one that has a beautiful waterfall on it, and you can like walk down the side of the hill to get to a waterhole and swim there. So we'll check it out today, but I'll show you what it looks like because it's gorgeous. Ryker is ready to go in his little monkey outfit and his sandals. Look at your bushwalking sandals. When we go to New Zealand, we are taking the baby carrier, so Ryker can just be on our back for a lot of the scenic things that we do over there. We're taking our travel pram as well, and it'll always be in the car for places where we can use it, because obviously it's great for when he needs to have a nap. But we thought today would be awesome just to, let me just grab the child. The children. Oh, yeah, we thought today would be a good day to test out the carrier and both get a good feel for using it with him at this size. I've used it a couple of times, but not for maybe a month or two. So, and not for like a long period of time. So today I'll take the backpack that'll have nappies, wipes, his food and drink, some food and water for us as well. And Harley will have Ryker on his back in the carrier. So I'll show you like how we put that on, how that works as well. But yeah, we'll probably use that a lot in New Zealand. So we wanted to test it out today, because it's going to be a workout. Carrying 10 plus kilos on your back, hey. But yeah, so I'll show you guys when we get there, putting him in the carrier and all of that stuff. This morning was so exciting. We woke up, I had a coffee, and we're chilling out in the lounge room and started doing our itinerary for New Zealand. So we started kind of planning out each day, roughly what we'd do. We have like a few set things for set days, but then there's a couple of days in between where we can just wake up and decide what we want to do that day, or if we just want to chill out that day and have a walk around the local area or a bit of a drive, then that's it. So yeah, that was really exciting to kind of jot down what we want to do. So I'll show you guys that. I'm going to type it up so it looks all nice and neat, because it's just in my messy handwriting at the moment, which I can read, but I don't know if anyone else can. Yeah. So today's kind of like just a cruisy day, out and about, a little adventure for Ryker. Ryker's never been on a bushwalk before, so it'll be very cute and lots of fun. Hey baby. He says yes. He's very tired. It is his morning nap time now. It's about 10 o'clock or just after 10, and he hasn't had a morning nap yet. So we didn't get up till like 20 to 8 this morning, which was awesome. Like normally we get up like anywhere from 5:30 to 6:30. Hi. But now he's really sooky because he's tired, so we'll put him in the car so he can have like a nap in the car on the way there, and he'll probably still be asleep when we get there. So that'll be interesting, trying to put him in the carrier while he's asleep, and he'll potentially wake up. But if we get there and he's napping and we want him to obviously have a good sleep, then we'll probably just pull up, have the windows down, and just relax, you know, out in the bush. It's so pretty. I'm just going to stop talking because we're going to get in the car and I can just show you what I'm talking about. See you there, guys.
Step by step, the beat is drum loud. chasing you with his gun, firing shots out of love. He says stay out of misery.
Go up closer.
With me, it's okay not to pray for me, for me. It's okay not to pray for me, for me.
Film this little drive, it's the cutest little thing.
I see her get away through the trees and into the bay, broken by the pain she gave, falling through an endless grave. And he says stay out of misery with me.
Is he?
Oh yeah.
It's okay not to pray
Hungry.
for me.
Hey, my fam! Ryker's so happy.
Is he?
Yeah. As long as it's comfy and
Yeah.
safe. Hey, baby. Ready to go for a walk? Whoop whoop.
Take a photo.
Yeah. So we are here, ready for the walk. I've put Ryker in the carrier already. I didn't film it because it was a bit of a mission to get him in, because I haven't put him on someone else's back before. But this is what it looks like. How does it feel?
Very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Comfy?
Oh yeah.
Supportive?
Yeah.
Yay!
There's no weight. Like your top part's really tight.
Carrying it. Ryker says yay! Good job.
Which one are we doing?
We can do any.
Oh, the one that's not 50 hours.
The 1 hour one. Yeah.
Will that take us to the falls?
Yeah.
Cool.
So the falls is you go to the lookout, but then you can walk down
Cool.
below it
So you know
and
where
get
you're
there.
going?
Yep, it has signs along the way.
Cool. So we're doing the bush.
Woohoo! I'll show you along the way. This one, what did it say? About an hour for this one. And hopefully the waterfall is a-flowing.
This should probably be the same distance as the one we're doing here. It's about full load back to the car, 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, so like I said before we left the house, where today's good practice with the carrier for when we go to New Zealand. So it'll be the same setup, Bub on either Harley's or my back, and then obviously whoever's not carrying the child carries the bag with the water and the snacks.
Help me find like a big stick in case we're running.
A big stick. Okay. To defend. I was loving it. This is just so chill. I wonder how old that is, hey? Like, how long has that been there for? Tarzan? Ryker's touching it. What's that?
Tree's probably been here for a very long time. You listen, you can hear how long it's been here for.
Oh my gosh, yes, aren't we?
1.3 million.
1.3 million years.
Yep.
Is that what you reckon, right? Yeah. Wait, there's a step there.
Do you want to have a got this on the way back? I honestly reckon this would be better than that backpack.
Yeah, sure.
It's so supportive, it doesn't even feel like...
Yeah, see, this is literally just straight off your shoulders, whereas that's your hips, your
Yeah,
chest.
it's an equal support.
Yeah.
Here. So it doesn't even, like, it's not...
Can you hear that water? Can you guys hear it? Flowing.
Palm Valley Track, Bush Box Falls, looking that way.
What do you keep calling it, Hals?
Bush Box.
Brush box. Jeez.
Be careful, man. Woman. Woman.
Yes?
Careful.
Yes, man.
Can't carry these guys.
You'll carry us both? Done. No. I hear other people. Jess. So next, when you can go up that way and it's just literally a loop around there. So it's not so steep or as many stairs. Look how big that tree is. And it keeps going. Let's switch.
Yep.
Woo! Let's go.
Onward.
So pretty.
It's awesome. Oh, walk straight into a spider web. No. Wow. You go.
Oh no.
It's alright.
Oh, that massive tree is falling.
Yeah, we'll have to check
I don't know if it's this one, but I have a photo of me sitting in one of these trees. It's probably this one, like sitting up on the edge there.
You can sit up there, take a photo.
Oh, what are you doing?
Yeah, a photo. Oh, you wanted it.
Look at that. Oh, be careful, there's bull ants everywhere. How insane is nature?
Yeah.
We're up top. We were down there. Now we're up here. Huh? Yeah.
Can you even get down there?
Yeah.
What, hard?
Look at that.
Is it hard to get down there?
Yeah, I'll show you how.
Have you been down there?
Yep. When I was little. How cool is that? Uncle Jason's gone over and sat underneath that water before.
I want to do it. How do you get
All the way
down?
down. It's not too hard, we can do it.
Yep.
Rise in there hiding. Oh, hey. We did it! We were up there and now we're down here. Oh my god. So nice. I didn't get any of that. Ryker and I are just having some snack time. Harley's just got out of the water and says it's absolutely freezing. What's that? What's going on? And some tippy. What's Daddy doing?
Moving. Good job, Mark.
It's still okay, my love. Whoop whoop. Look like Tarzan.
And Tarzan. Go for it.
I don't know, my love. What's the plan? So, I was a sook and did not go in the water. I put my feet in and it was like instant pain. It was that cold. I don't know how Harley did it, like good on him for actually going in the water. That was freezing. Like beyond freezing. I've never felt water that cold before. Like, bloody legend!
Very cold.
Very cold. Very
My
cold.
present.
He's just thawing out.
Yeah.
We're just having some lunch. Handmade sandwiches by my beautiful husband. Hey everyone, so it's been a few days since we went on our walk, but I just thought I would add into this vlog the pram that we are taking to travel with. I'll show you the brand of carrier that we have as well. I'm pretty sure it's the Ergo carrier, but it's only the one that you can have on the front facing your chest or on your back facing your back. And the pram is the Mountain Buggy Nano. I love it. I think it's a great pram. It's still a decent size and it can still literally go anywhere. I've had no problems with it, and it's the pram that we just leave in the car because it doesn't take up too much space, so if we ever need to get stuff, then we always have heaps of room. So I will show you guys that one now. Oh, you're mozzie on your nose. So many mozzies. Come on. Turn around on your bum. Okay. Okay, sorry, it might be a bit bright. I will show you guys how I open it. It is so easy. So this is it. This is the whole thing. It's got the handle here that you can hold on to, but then it's also got a long strap. So you can do that, carry it around, and to open it, you just pull the hood forward a little bit, grab the handlebar, and then on the side there's a clip here that latches on. So you just open it and disconnect it, and then literally done. That's it. Pull the hood down. Where are you going? It is so good. Sorry guys, it is so bright. I might go into the shade. Ryker, come down here. How much better? Okay, so yes, that is our pram. I'll give you a walk around and just show you a few little nifty things about it, and then I'm gonna wrap the vlog up. So this little caddy, Baba? Yeah, so this little caddy, which is dirty at the moment, is from our other pram, which is a Red's Baby pram. This thing is awesome. You can put your coffee or your milk bottle or water bottle or whatever, and then everything else in here. That's just some banana. Yay. And yeah, it's got the pockets, it's got the little zip pocket. And then this is how you sit it up and lay it down. And the basket is decent for a little pram. Yeah. Oh, and the harness. I love it because it's one piece, not two. I know the two ones they've made pretty well these days, so it's easy to all click together. But I love that you just put his arm through, clip it in, put his arm through, clip it in, and it already wraps around his waist and over his shoulder in one go. That's pretty nifty. And then this little thing goes out, so it doesn't lay fully flat, but it lays pretty flat. And you just pinch the end, pinch, and it goes down like that, all straight. Okay, so to fold it down, there's these little buttons like on the side at the top of the seat, and you just push them in, but you use your thumb because you want to press on either side. So I'll show you that now. You just press and the whole top part like folds back, like the hood and the handle and everything, and then you just squeeze the top half together and like you'll feel it like press together and fold in, and then you literally just lift it up and fold it over, push it down so it all clicks together, and this little lock here locks in, and that is it. Look, done. Fits so easily in the back of the boot. Does not take up, like, we don't even have a massive boot, but it does not take up much space at all. Hey, eating sticks and dirt. Good job. I'm gonna go inside. Mommy needs a coffee. Come on. So this is the carrier that we use. I've just got it hung up on a coat hanger because this is how I store it in the cupboard. But these are obviously the shoulder straps, and that brown part is what Babe sits in, and it either goes that way, so that with Babe in it would be on your belly, or the other way around and it would be on your back. But it is the Ergo baby, and this is just the original. I know that they've brought out heaps of other ones which I would totally invest in, like if you love to carry babies, especially a newborn, because they're only little for such a short amount of time. So yeah, this is the carrier. This is a little head shade for them, so it goes up and over and clips onto the shoulder pad. It has different lengths as well, so if you want it to be a bit more snug or just loose but protective, like from the sun. It's got a pocket in here, it's got massive pocket on the side, and this band either sits like on your lower back, like right down near your hips, or across the lower part of your stomach. And it's got the big thick clips, which are really good, really strong. And then obviously your shoulder straps, and then it also has another strap and clip that goes across your chest. So it's really supportive. Like Harley was saying, he just thought it was great, like all the weight was just like proportioned evenly all over, which was really cool. I've used it with Ryker before, but only like hanging off my front, not on my back. So when we're in New Zealand, obviously we'll both give it a go so that one doesn't get absolutely exhausted. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's the baby carrier. So I've done the carrier, done the pram. I'm gonna wrap this up. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I know there were like a little kind of few things going on, but yeah, I just thought I would take us out for the day on a little family adventure. And we were testing the carrier for New Zealand, so I thought I'll show you the carrier and I'll show you the pram, which are the two travel things that we're going to take to New Zealand to use to get around with Ryker. I'll obviously be doing New Zealand vlogs, so I'll be able to let you know how all of that stuff held up in New Zealand with like the activities and tours and stuff that we have planned to do. So I will keep you guys posted. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And if you haven't already, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated with all of our new vlogs. I've got one a week coming out. So, you know, doing my best to get them out as a mama and working and looking after Bub. So, one a week. And yeah, if you like the vlog, give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this vlog, if you want to do more kind of holiday adventure vlogs or even review vlogs. Like I'm going to do a full review on the pram once we've gone to New Zealand, like gone through the airport and everything, so we can fully test out the travel pram and see what it's like. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Mwah! Thanks you. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.